Understanding flavors. Is it spicy or mild? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic that's very common in conversations about food. Have you ever wondered how to describe the taste of your meal? Well, we've got you covered. Today's video is all about understanding and using the phrases, "Is it spicy or mild?" Let's get started and add some flavor to your English skills. Before we dive into our main phrases, it's important to understand what we mean by flavor. Flavor refers to the taste and overall sensory experience of food. It can range from sweet and sour to salty and bitter. However, when it comes to the heat level of your food, we often use two specific terms, spicy and mild. When food is described as spicy, it means it has a strong, pungent flavor that creates a burning sensation in your mouth. Spices like chili peppers, black pepper, ginger, and garlic can make a dish spicy. People often enjoy spicy food for its bold flavors and the kick it adds to the meal. On the other hand, when we describe food as mild, we're talking about dishes that are not spicy. Mild foods are gentle on your taste buds and don't cause that burning sensation. They're perfect for those who prefer a subtler, more soothing flavor profile. Mild dishes often focus on the natural flavors of the ingredients without the heat. Knowing whether a dish is spicy or mild is crucial, especially when you're trying new foods or if you have a sensitivity to spice. Here's how you can use this question when ordering food at a restaurant, to ensure the dish matches your preference. When preparing meals for others, to accommodate their taste buds. When trying recipes from different cuisines, to get a sense of what to expect. This question helps you navigate culinary experiences more confidently and enjoy your meals to the fullest. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrases, "Is it spicy or mild?" can greatly enhance your dining experiences and help you communicate more effectively about food preferences. Whether you love the thrill of spicy flavors or prefer the comforting taste of mild dishes, these terms are your key to exploring the world of flavors. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Happy eating and learning!